Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and today we're looking at a Yamaha XT600 from 1986. We've had this bike in once before and it's been traded back into us, and since then it's had two new tyres and done about 30 kilometers. So not much too much to report on the bike. It's in a really nice red and white color scheme. It's Kickstart only, so what we do say on these bikes is, if you're not familiar with kicking a large single cylinder motorcycle, or you're not physically capable, I would stay away from it because it'll cause you headaches. But if you know how to kick these, I'll show you in the video. It is very easy, but it's just something to make note of. You know, it is a big single 600cc bike that you're kicking over. Anyway, front tire absolutely perfect. Really nice front mudguard, little kind of, that looks like muck, but it's just actually ingrained into it now at this stage. And the plastics, stickers are good, front headlamp and indicators are good. We've got the mirrors and hand guards here as well, which are nice to have. New grips on it as well, as you see here. 49,000 kilometers on the bike, and the tank is in nice condition, good stickers, everything like that. The seat is in good condition. It's got a little tear here in it, again nothing too crazy. Left hand side plastics are good, swing arm, chain and sprocket all okay. Engine is actually in good condition for the age in terms of its aesthetics. And indicators, the rear rack here, 1986, so please remember that it is 1986. It's what, nearly 40 years old now, so coming up on that now. You've got the left hand side here, all good, everything like that. Crash bars as well fitted to a bike, so that's kind of it. The front gaiters are nice condition as well, we fitted them. Pretty nice bike overall. So that's it for the visuals. Let's go for a spin. Okay, we're going to go out on this XT600 now. I'm going to show you, the bike is completely cold. I'm going to hold on to that because I know I have my glove on, but I'm going to keep going. You can see the bike is cold. To start the bike, ignition on, which is up the top here. Get your choke on full. It might take 3 or 4 kicks, we'll see, but you want to prime it that it's in top dead center, and then give it another 3rd kick from dead cold. I'm going to leave the choke on a little bit for it to warm up. Not going to crash into anything behind me, am I? No. First gear, and away you go. And like I said, again, the bike is Kickstart only, and you just have to bear that in mind. I'm not going to scare people off with it, but it is just something to consider. Turn off the choke now. I'm going to turn right out here. I'm just blipping the throttle because I probably should have kept the choke on a little longer, but we're going to get a run up here, so it'll warm the bike up. Engine feels nice and strong, plenty of torque, as you'd expect from a big single. Remember, this is a 600cc single on a bike that weighs basically nothing particularly compared to modern standards. I'm going to turn right out here. Feels very good, nice and strong going through the gears. Actually quite smooth considering it's such a big single. Other than that, nothing really to make note of. I will make note that it does feel a lot better with those new tires on it from the last time I did ride it about a year ago, maybe at this stage, is it? Probably a bit more. And feels good. Going through the gears, as I said. Rear brake now I'll use there, actually feels good as well. And I think the horn needs a little bit of either an oiling or a setup, something like that, I'm not too sure. There's a high beam light coming on. And we're going to flick it in left here. Should have indicated, I'm sorry. It's too busy fiddling around with my new toy. Nice little picnic there on the green for those individuals. It is a beautiful day here in Ireland. We're coming at the end of coming to the end of August. It's about 23 degrees, which is a perfect day, I think, in my opinion. Really, really nice. So not really too many of these days left, I think, for us, unfortunately, but long may it last. And I'm out to enjoy it right now, so that's what matters. I'm going to turn in left here and I'll check the electrics. I know the horn is a little bit iffy there, not working for whatever reason, but probably something simple. I'm going to flick it into neutral there. The neutral light is very dim, but it is on. I'm going to check the high beam light as well. Yeah, very dim, but it is on. Indicators seem to be working when I got the bike out first. Yeah, there they are. Indicators, the front left, rear left working. Your rear light is working again. These systems run off when the bike is running. It goes on more. Your front headlamp is working as well, so it's just the horn and we need to get sorted. And nothing too crazy there, but as far as XT600s go this era, starting on a third kick is pretty good going. Stopping with the front and rear brakes feeling really good, excellent. Idling, as you can see now, very, very good. Electrics working apart from the horn, but other than that, all very good. Feels really strong going through all the gears, as good as gold. So 2 new tires, which is good also. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.